Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally share this with you. This is a raw, unfiltered blog of my 3-day orientation experience at TISS, that is Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. There's no background music, no fancy edits, no scripted lines, just real life as it happened. From the moment I step into the campus for document verification, to settling into hostel life and the attending the orientation sessions, I have tried to capture everything as a newcomer, with all the chaos, confusion, excitement, and the little joys in between. I'm from 2025 to 2027 batch, and this blog is for all the experienced dreamers and curious souls out there who like me once had no idea what to expect before coming here. I truly understand how every student who dreams of coming to TISS feels, full of questions, doubts, and uncertainty. I have been there. There were many times I felt confused and overwhelmed too. That's why I made this blog, to give you a glimpse of what it's really like, straight from the fresh joiner's perspective. I'll try my best to share everything I experience and learn, and from now on, I'll keep capturing whatever is possible for me to document. So, if you're someone who's preparing for TISS or just curious about student life, here this channel is for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't lose track of my channel or its name. There's a lot more coming. So let's begin the journey together.
आप जाके बैठो वहाँ टेपन के वो मेरे पास मैं छुट्टी पहुँच और मैं भेज दूँगा फाइल आप वो उसको करो वहीं जाके बैठो
TISS provides temporary hostel accommodation for a few days before classes officially begin. I have been allotted hostel 4, which is a girls' hostel. This is my room, and it cost me 180 rupees per day. We had to rent the mattress separately, and for that you have to priorly email the hostel in charge. This is basically the main campus of TISS, also commonly known as the old campus itself. हमारा ओरिएंटेशन न्यू कैंपस के कन्वेंशन सेंटर में होने वाला था, तो ये पीछे का गेट है मेन कैंपस का, और ये देवनार फार्म रोड है जिससे मेन गेट आता है न्यू कैंपस का. दिस इज़ द न्यू कैंपस एंड दिस इज़ द कन्वेंशन सेंटर ऑफ द न्यू कैंपस. These are the different help desk set up for each school and course you are enrolled in.
All and good morning to all the esteemed faculty members, our distinguished guests, and most importantly, our bright young students of new batch of the year 2025-27. Welcome to TISS.
With statistical data units for your research platform.
Writing down my fieldwork experiences, my assignments, even some of the interaction with some international students, or just.
We have expanded it to all our programs, and now across campuses you will see TISS online learning systems.
ये पीछे का गेट है मेन कैंपस का, और यहाँ एक बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट है. इधर से ही यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स आना जाना करते हैं न्यू कैंपस से ओल्ड कैंपस. दोनों ही कैंपसेस में डाइनिंग हॉल्स है. यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स उसको DH बोलते हैं, और उसके लिए हमें कूपन्स लेना पड़ता है. लंच एंड डिनर्स के लिए 50 रुपीज़ एंड ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए 40 रुपीज़. During a document verification, TISS usually asks for a medical certificate. आप अपने घर के नियर बाय गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से भी साइन करवा सकते हो, या आप इधर आके भी हेल्थ केयर जो TSS के अंदर ही है, उधर आप एक फॉर्मेट आता है हर साल, सेम ही रहता है, तो उससे फिलअप करके आपके इधर के डॉक्टर से साइन करवाना पड़ता है।
I ask you, how is the school year going so far? The Mona Lisa smile will be sarcastic with unbloomed hair.
कल ही नंबर दे देना पड़ेगा मैं अरे 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 अरे
Okay. Specifically, Professor Jackie Joseph, Dean of JDSCS, whose unwavering guidance continues to shape academic.
मैं বসে আছে একটা তুমি আর
वही देख रहा हूँ
Here's the main gate of our main campus. You can spot it easily since it's right beside the main road. The document verification started at 9 in the morning. First, we had to stand in a queue to get an undertaking form, fill it up, and sit in the waiting rooms. We were moved from one room to another until we reached a conference hall where the main verification was going on. There were two parts, general verification and category verification, based on the category through which you got admission. The process takes time and they check several documents like the anti-ragging form, medical form, acceptance letter, owner code letter, and all academic mark sheets and certificates. After successful verification, they give you the offer letter. It was 6 in the evening. The whole process takes quite a bit of time, so you will need to be patient.